thankfully, it is windy out here. So I don't always leave it on, but like right now it's helpful with the wind blowing, even with her being way over there and him over there. And Toast over here and I'm over here. Even with the fan, it blows this way still, and I think they really enjoy it because they'll stay at a distance sometimes, but I don't leave it on all the time.
Little Toasty Toast. What's he doing, pretty girl? Look at all these little footprints. It's a ginger. Hi. Oh, oh. Doodlebug. Hi, baby. Why is your nose always dirty? Your tail is so poofy. Yes. Hi, kiddos. Hi, pretty girl. What's she doing? Cicero.
He's got this uncovered for now, but they all lay under these. We do have this, but it didn't work out for a while. Didn't cover it enough during the rain. But he'll stay under here.
Nice and cool.
There's turtles.
Gingers.
He comes this way. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Meow. Being super cute.
Oh.
Cicero. Meow. Cicero. Cicero.